How often is it that you go grocery shopping and get money back just for going grocery shopping? Well, check this out. I'm going to tell you a solution on how you can get money just by shopping at everyday stores, and in return you can get cash to spend wherever you want, such as Target, Walmart, Home Depot, Applebee's. So stay tuned. Okay, how this app works is once you download it, there's so many stores that you can look at. There's Target, there's Walmart, there's Home Depot, etc., etc. So for example, if I click on Target, it'll say, like, if you buy a can of dog food, you get a quarter back. If you buy, even if you drink beer, if you buy a 18 pack of this beer plus chips, you get $2.50 back. So there's so many things. There's also buy something, you get money back just on your receipt, 25 cents. It could be a dime. It's all random. And then once you purchase all your things that you're interested in for that day, you get your receipt, take it home, scan all your barcodes, take a picture of the receipt and send it back to Ibotta, and they'll confirm it, and then they'll add into your account. And then after $20, you can start taking out, you can withdraw from your account. And how you withdraw, it will be a verification ask for your phone number and your email to confirm that it's you. And then it's a barcode that gets downloaded into your email that you just take back to Walmart or whatever, and you scan it. And if you want to wait, you can also just save up and bank money and use it for Applebee's or whatever else you want. But it's a really great app. And how it works for me, for everyone that signs up and buys something, I get $10 just for referring you. There's no strings attached. It's a great app. So if you're ready to save money, use this app. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.